Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix speaker not working on your Samsung Galaxy M15. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in these settings. So you go over into these settings. Now in those exact settings, you scroll down to sounds and vibration, and here go to volume. Here you need to make sure that the media volume is maxed out all the way to the right. It's very important to change it because we want to make sure that there's sound enabled in those exact settings. Now what you guys want to do next is clean the speaker grill. So as you guys can see, we got the speaker grill right here at the bottom. We want to make sure that it's clean and there's nothing inside of this phone. And after we clean it with a soft brush, for an example, what we can do is go over to the settings again and go to connections. Now make sure that Bluetooth right here is disabled, so it will look like this. The switch will be gray, and we want to make sure that it's disabled to ensure audio is not rerouted to any other device like headphones, speakers, or even a car. Next, what you guys want to do is restart the phone. So this is to refresh the entire system. You just hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what you guys want to do is simply update your software. So go over into the settings. Now scroll down until you see software update. Click download and install right at the top, and it's checking for updates automatically. So I am on the latest version of the software, but if you're not and you're on the older one, make sure to update because it's very important to get rid of any old glitches. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.